doesn't matter how hard you work, because you need to do it smart and effective. Be able to realize when you need to take a step back and take a break and just recharge. That's what I did. I literally took a vacation and just felt fully resetted and fully energized. And then, you know, everything was going my way, thankfully. What's going on, everybody? Paul Jose here. We just got done with a game. And although, you know, your boy only played about 16 minutes, had 10 points, 2 assists, 5 rebounds, man, I smoked 4 layups and missed 3 free throws. But it's okay, we had fun, and most importantly, our team got the dub. For the next 5 days with no practices, and right now we're on spring break for a couple of weeks. Because of that, I'm gonna go to Malaga. Una vista maravillosa, immaculate vibes, yeah. We gotta lock in, bro. This is first meal off the train. Got the
and the flight and the bus.
Yep. We got an acai bowl with a lemon beer. Best combo in the game. Los batidos de frutas o bocadillos. We're here with my boy Mac, here with my boy Titus. Guys from the Cardiff Met program with Hoops. I was gonna ask y'all, what was your guys' welcome to Wales moment when it comes to basketball?
Yeah, it was like my 4th game out here. I got ejected for clapping on a closeout, and I haven't clapped since. So I had to adjust those people rules.
On the 3rd quarter too.
In the 3rd quarter.
Yep. You Tires?
Can you see me? It's good?
Yeah, we got.
I was watching him get ejected. I'd say just the condition of the rims, first game, bad rims, and then just the gyms you play and you see from one game to another. It's just like you might be in a cubicle one game and you might be a really nice arena, so stuff like that. And then the drums on the sideline, in this fan section or whatever.
Bro, yeah, like honestly, the gyms, I think our gym is probably the best gym in all of Wales. Some people have been saying that, like all those training videos you guys seen on the previous videos, those are the ones, that's our home gym. And for me, it would have to be some guy holding a trash can and he's just banging it as they're shooting free throws. My man is zooming to places, he's going. His wife was all like, yo, honey, I'm home alone. And he's zooming, walking to places. This is the key to get the unlimited bounce for basketball, bro. I'm gonna be doing the nastiest up and unders next week. Backwards, man. Hey, man, yeah. I feel like I could walk on the moon with this type of movement. Shoot. Golly. Everybody take notes, take notes. We're gonna have hips of steel, hips of steel. You already know what it is. All right, tenemos una paella de mariscos aquí. Tenemos gambas, mejillones, pulpo. We're here in the market central de Malaga. This is fire, good eats, 10 out of 10.
Dehydrated fruit, kiwi, 10 out of 10.
Estas son las puertas especiales para Pau Gasol. These are the doors meant for Pau Gasol. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Estamos en una película. Oh my gosh. Málaga, una de las ciudades más bonitas en el mundo. Estoy 100% seguro. Mira, tienen algo como un coliseo ahí, no sé qué, pero it's beautiful. Vamos a caminar hasta allá arriba donde está la otra gente. Solo tenemos como 3 horas durmiendo, pero we thugging it out, man. You know what it is, no excuses on this peaceful vacation. We ain't worried about time or nothing. Regardless of whatever level you play with basketball overseas, sometimes people will be like, oh man, don't do it. It sucks. You're not gonna be making that money, or sometimes as much money as you would with a regular 9-to-5 job, or you're gonna be far away from people back home. And although those things can be true in the beginning, you will never get a time where you can just have a long ass break in the middle of the season or towards the end of the season to just go out to a different country and have views like this. And yeah, that's just the real of the real. If people are just criticizing with your hoop, it's uneducated activities. Stay in your lane. The best thing that I've experienced so far, just traveling overseas so far and hooping in Cardiff, hooping in Spain, is just all the different types of culture you get to like just gain through experience, and all the great people you can meet along the way. You get to just sit there, vibe, appreciate what's in front of you, and that's the beauty about culture, is you get different feels of different values and all that. The game starts when I come back from Spain, like literally
2 days later. For the first time since I think high school, my parents were able to come to a game and watch me. And this has to do with college, university level. I felt just super recharged. Our teammates were finding each other open, shots were falling in. I was able to facilitate the ball as well, just play good defense, be a good teammate, be able to hit shots off the dribble, run the floor well, and nobody got hurt. We got the dub too. It was a close game. The thing I learned when it comes to chasing your goals, we'll use basketball for an example. It doesn't matter how hard you work, because you need to do it smart and effective, but at the same time, be able to realize when you need to take a step back and take a break and just recharge. That's what I did. I literally took a vacation and just felt fully resetted and fully energized. And then, you know, everything was going my way, thankfully. We're still keeping moving with this basketball stuff, enjoying each moment, and just trying to be the best version of ourselves with hoops and in life.